Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to change wallpaper on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So first we'll go into the browser and type something you want on your wallpaper. So for example, wallpaper squirrel, images, and I'd like this one. So right click on it, save image as. Now on downloads, change the web file to all files and type in .jpg. Save, open file. Now click the three dots in the bottom left corner, top left corner, sorry. Then set as and background. And as you can see, I have my squirrel right here. You can use the your own original photo if you'd like. Just don't download any photos from the browser. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.